Urban biodiversity is quietly vanishing while we chase unplanned development. Almost half of us live in cities now, and by 2050, it'll be 70%. But where are the trees? Green spaces reduce pollution, cool our cities, and support mental health. In fact, a single square kilometer of urban forest offers ecosystem services worth over 8 crore rupees annually. Yet cities like Chennai and Hyderabad are losing green cover fast. We can reverse this. Tree-lined roads, rooftop gardens, restoring lakes, and community-led biodiversity plans, these are real solutions. Urban biodiversity isn't a luxury. It's essential for sustainable living. Let's not build cities we can't live in tomorrow.